The more you focus on other people's choices, their lives, the way they think, breathe, look, sound, whatever it may be, the more of your precious moment, power, life is taken away from you, dear Aquarius. And you have far too much attention on other people. Oh, this is what this family member's doing, and this is what this person's doing, and oh, that person eats like this, and this person doesn't eat like that, and blah, 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 blah. And it just goes on forever and ever. And it's just a commentary, and it keeps going on and on and on and on. And this weighs you down so much. And I want to say this to you lovingly. Mind your business. Focus on your life. Focus on the decisions that you are capable of making in your life today. Focus on what is in front of you today. Because when you start drawing your attention back towards yourself, inward, what's in front of you, you get to recognize the changes that you need to make rather than judging other people, pointing the finger and telling them what changes or thinking about the changes they should be making. It's got nothing to do with you. Bring it back to yourself. What are the decisions in my life in this moment that I'm going to make? And just keep focusing on present moment, present moment. Empty your space of all the people, places and events that you keep carrying everywhere you go.